Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Check your Mac model and confirm Sequoia is installed because firmware or SIP may block downgrade. Once done, back up everything to an external drive. Do not rely on a single copy. Make a bootable USB installer for the Mac OS version you want or verify internet recovery for your Mac. These steps let you erase safely. Make sure to record any file vault passwords and Apple ID credentials so activation locks won't stop you. Once booted to recovery or the USB installer, open Disk Utility and show all devices. You must erase the app's volume group, not just a volume. Choose Erase, set scheme to GUID partition map and format to apps or Mac OS extended journaled for older Mac OS targets. If File Vault is active, decrypt first. If you can't, use recovery steps from Apple to remove activation locks. Proceed only when you're sure the target disk is the internal drive. This permanently removes Sequoia. After erasing, install the Mac OS version you prepared via the installer or internet recovery. The installer will create the correct volume structure. When installation finishes, set up your account and restore user files from the external backup, but avoid migrating system-level settings that could reintroduce issues. If activation lock, NVRAM, or firmware prevents installation, reset NVRAM and SMC, sign out of iCloud on other devices, and retry internet recovery. If the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.